everyone, welcome to Vanlife VanGaming, and today we're at Whitstable. We have never been here before, but we're here for the weekend, and apparently you can find fossilized crab, fossilized lobster, and fossilized shark teeth. We are actually in, if you can see here, the oyster bit where you can find them and stuff like that. We're so close to hitting our 1,500 subscriber giveaway, so make sure if you're not already subscribed to subscribe to the channel. And it's also, since it's been Christmas, happy Christmas and a Merry New Year. Thank you to all our subscribers, our new subscribers that have joined the channel, joined the community. We are giving you a very warm welcome. Right, so as you can see, this is a very old style Victorian kind of town. It looks really nice. So let's have like a look around the shops. Even the libraries, they look old and Victorian. So let's have a walk around town, shall we? Right, we just got some chips from Aussie's Fish Bowl, which are meant to be the best chips in Kent. Let's go see if that is true. Right, because those chips were really nice. I don't think they were the best in Kent. I think those ones like could be a bit better. I thought they were really nice, but we had to go back in the van because it was really windy. Yeah, so we're going to the next town now. Let's go, I guess. Right, guys, so here we are at the Recuva, or should I say it's behind St. Mary's Church. Since I told Daddy I'm learning about ancient Greeks in school, he decided, whilst we were going around the coast, to visit the Recuva. Right, here is St. Mary's Church, and behind this is all the ancient buildings and that, if you can see over here. This is basically what it is. So this is Church of St. Mary's. There's the officers' quarters, and all of these different bits as well of where they were. Let's go have a look around. Right, so since I'm learning about ancient Greeks in school, let's go have a look at this Roman fort. Let's go. And here is where the Roman quarters used to stand. Around here. Must have been pretty big, but to be fair, all the people in there, they look pretty small. Looks like it wouldn't be that big. And here is the building. The front looks like it's held up really well. When you look at the back, it's not really held up really well. And these look like tombstones, like little graves. So if you go to churches, you normally see little tombstones and that there. Because I know near where I live, I see some. But there, look, looks like they've been unloaded. I think you can go in the castle a bit. Alright guys, so here's like the tower bit. So this is where the church was. But if you look up here, there's towers. they used to be like fort towers, but they blew down. So they built this church here instead to remember the towers. And here used to be the doorway, as you can see from all the layout. The doorway must have gone at least all the way up there to the buildings bits were, and used to lead all over here. Because if you look here, that's where all the church bits used to be. And over there, you can see some gravestones from it. Look at that. And the reason why this tower was made is because if you look over the oceans, people who were trying to get them, like shoot them and kill them, that's how it would defend them basically, like try and stop them. And also they would know if they were coming because they'd see big ships out there, miles on end. Right, so if you see behind me, from that fence all the way down used to be a big river bit where the Romans used to drive their or swim their ships through it so they could get it to this different bit, and that all used to be ocean. But in the 12th century, farmers built a wall over there that you can see, and they made it so that there was no more river there, and made it into marshland so they can farm. Can you believe that? I kind of would have liked it if it stayed ocean, to be fair. And just connect this planet, which was the island, all the way down there, that was out from the river or ocean. If they connected that to here, that would be fine, but no, they got rid of all the water there. That's cool, isn't it? Now the ocean just say miles and miles until the next country. Right guys, so this used to be the wall to the fort. If you see over here, I actually find this quite interesting. All the buildings are gone in there, but look how nice that looked. And now all that's left is this. And on this picture, I cannot see St. Mary. So it's changed a lot. It's about 1,800 years ago, about. Changed a lot. It used to be all the way tall. Look how short it is now. Right, here we are at Herne Bay, I think that's called. And we're going to try and stay here the night. If not, we're going to have to try and go somewhere else. It's actually a really nice place. If you look straight down, that's a bit of the pier that they've taken down, I'm pretty sure. But that looks like an abandoned ice cream shop, I'm thinking. So at the top, it looks like ice cream cone. So let's go explore, why don't we? Maybe go into an arcade or two. Apparently this pier is shut, so we're going to try and come back here later. Also, quickly, I want to show you something. If you go down here, you can see this sign, which says beach fun and candles for mum. Ooh. Right guys, so what we're going to be talking about what we're basically going to be doing in 2023.
Visiting a lot more pubs.
Definitely not. We are going to be visiting a bit more fossilized beaches, just beaches
More fossil
in general.
hunting.
Yeah, definitely.
When we currently, don't know if we've put out the video yet, but we actually had an accident in the van. We got side swipes, and that was actually 5-6 weeks ago.
Yeah.
Still not heard from the insurance company, so we are going to start the repairs ourselves over the next couple of weeks. So I'll be filming that.
And once we've got the van basically finished and we finished building it, because our window has completely shattered, and when we ordered the window, it came shattered. So we're waiting for the window to arrive. We're going to put that in, try and fix everything we can, selling it, and using that money to get a new van, a newer version of the van.
Yeah, so the ULEZ, ultra low emission zone, is actually expanding to virtually everywhere, or most of it inside in 25. So that's where I actually work. So we're looking at finishing off the actual build and actually selling a van and actually buying a bigger, newer van for the end of the year. So we're building out the new van as well.
Yep. And for the van, we're going to try and sell it to someone, and we're going to be saving like crazy to try and get the new van, and basically get everything we need to get a new van, and then we're going to have to build out that van again.
I've been told I've got a feature a little bit more in the videos as well, so
Yes.
you'll be seeing a little bit more of me. And we're also now, I finished college, passed with distinction on all counts. So I've actually bought a subscription to Skillshare. So I'm going to be watching at least one video a day, and trying to improve our editing techniques so we can get some more videos out. What else is there?
Well, we're probably going to reach the goal, aren't we?
Oh, we're hoping for 1,500 subscribers, so we can actually do the giveaway. And obviously just visiting some more interesting places, hopefully.
Yeah, and posting a bit more videos. So about 2 weeks, 2 weeks a week, 2 videos about a week, or it will be 1 video a week. One of the two it will be. So we'll try and post as much as we can, as often as we can, and try to reach our goal. Right guys, so we found somewhere to park for the night, since it is, well, fireworks about to happen, because it's about to be New Year's. It's New Year's Eve. We found this lovely place near Whitstable, and we are on top of this like mountain right next to the beach. And if you can see behind me, it's just over the town, so you can see all the fireworks that every house is doing. They should start doing them any second now. Let's watch and see how long it takes. Right guys, so sadly it is raining, so we can't really go outside like we did last year or do a short. But Happy New Year, first of all. And next year, or should I say this year, we're going to try and post a bit more videos more recently and stuff like that. So stay tuned to see that. And also guys, we're so close to our 1,500 subscriber giveaway. So if you're not already subscribed, please subscribe to the channel. Right, and everyone make sure to like, subscribe, and press the notification bell. And remember, we've got super thanks down below if you want to help us, instead of raise the roof, get a new van. Alright, bye. And remember, if I can do it, you guys can do it too. Bye.